welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a recipe for cinnamon American buttercream. I recently did a recipe for cinnamon Swiss meringue buttercream, which is rather mild in the amount that I put in there. This one is quite strong, so if you're more into very strong cinnamon flavor, then this is the one for you. Let's get started.
Not too many ingredients. We need half a cup or 125 grams of butter, 4 cups or 500 grams of powdered sugar, 2 to 3 tablespoons milk, 2 tablespoons cinnamon. Begin by creaming the butter until light and fluffy. Add the powdered sugar half at a time. Add a tablespoon at a time of milk until the mixture comes to buttercream consistency. Add the rest of the powdered sugar, adding milk a tablespoon at a time until it comes together. Finally, add the whole amount of cinnamon. It's best if it's beaten in because cinnamon binds better to fat than water, so beating it until it binds to the butter helps to distribute it evenly. This buttercream has a very strong cinnamon flavor and is perfect for the cinnamon fan. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at americanbakeringermany.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Subscribe for more recipes.